guys, welcome to my vlog. Kapit nang matibuok ang bulan guys. Tingnan niyo guys. Lapit na matibuok ang bulan guys. Kasi ugma guys. Tibuok guys. Mamasin lang tani guys. Kung tibuok ugma guys. Atong videohan guys. Picturean guys. Siya guys na ini ilabay guys. Tingnan niyo guys.